Hoymiles is officially launching their residential energy storage system here in the Netherlands. What caught my attention is the scale. They told me that with their HiOne lineup, configurations are going all the way up to 64 kWh, and that's why I wanted to take a closer look. So let's have a look at what Hoymiles is showing us here today. One of the things I noticed is that this really is a single unit. A lot of these so-called one-in-one systems still consist of multiple boxes. Here, the inverter, battery and energy management system are actually combined into one enclosure. Just walking around it, you can see the design is very clear. All wiring is hidden behind the housing, and that's something I truly appreciate. So the battery itself is fully modular. Each battery module has a capacity of 8 kWh, and the system can scale all the way up to 64 kWh, meaning you can stack 8 modules on top of each other. That's insane. And what's more insane, each unit weighs about 6-7 kilograms.
When you're new to batteries, MPPTs and input currents don't make a lot of sense, but let me explain this to you in a very practical way.
What I'm seeing here is that HiOne is designed to work well with different types of roofs and solar panels. If you already have solar panels, that's not a problem, the system can work with existing solar panels. But if you're planning to install the system and add new solar panels at the same time, those panels can be connected directly to the HiOne system.
And whether your home is one phase, three phase, doesn't really matter. It doesn't even matter if you know it, because Hoymiles will automatically adjust itself.
One of the strongest points Hoymiles is highlighting is installation speed. The battery modules stack without internal cabling and the connections are plug and play.
Still 1 minute and 5 seconds. Crazy, guys.
And interestingly, it also works as the bright light. And interestingly, it also works as a backup power.
But for that you need an optional gateway called the HiBox that allows the battery to keep supplying power when the grid goes down. Without it, the system works like a normal battery system, but it won't power your home during an outage. Probably, when there's an outage, you won't even notice it, as the system supports 0 millisecond backup switching. If you live like me in the Netherlands, you might have to inform your insurance agent about the batteries you installed. That's why I'm happy that Hoymiles also takes safety seriously. This means that the system isn't just watching the battery as a whole, but continuously checks what's happening inside each pack. If something unusual happens, like temperature changes, the system can react instantly instead of waiting until it becomes a problem. And good to know, it's IP66 rated, so it's sealed against dust and water, as suitable for outside installations as well. They did allow me to play around with the software. Everything is tied into the Hoymiles cloud platform, and through the app you get a clear overview of what's going on in your system. You can see things like real-time energy flows, system status and how power is being used or stored. There's also integration with smart meters and built-in diagnostics, which helps both installers and users keep an eye on the system, not just on day one, but also over the long term. So this was my first look at the HiOne all-in-one energy storage system that's expandable up to 64 kWh. The focus is clearly on integration, scalability and fast installation. I'll be keeping an eye on this system and how it performs in the real life, and as well as the price, because it's still unknown. Anyways, it gives, I think, a pretty clear overview of what Hoymiles is bringing to the market. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did so, I will leave a link to all my other home battery videos over here, and I'll see you in the next one.
Got it. Thank you, man. Yeah? Perfect. Okay. Professional. The quickest interview. Yeah. The smoother one. Thank you, man.
Thanks.
Yeah.
It was nice seeing you.